How to add size charts to your Shopify product page. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can add size charts to your Shopify product page. So let's get into it. Now, if I go onto Shopify and I take a look at, my dashboard, I can go into my products and you have all these different options in your products and you have sizes that you can add, but a lot of customers need to know the sizing that you are following. There are so many multiple variations of sizing that customers really need a actual size chart from every brand. Now, you can just insert your size chart in the form of an image in the last part of your media. That is one of the most common ways I see a lot of people doing this. However, that often does not look very professional. It just doesn't look as put together as a size chart on the right side of your screen is. So if I was to take an example, this is my store, this is our product, and I could just add a image and that would be like the size chart, but that is not very professional. However, having a size chart on the right side of your screen at the bottom below your buy now button is what the most standardized position for that is. So you want to be able to do that instead of having to make it, just instead of having to just make it work, you should actually be able to add your size chart in a nice and effective manner. And it's not even that difficult. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go onto your Shopify dashboard. So this is your Shopify dashboard, and once you have logged on to your Shopify dashboard, you simply want to click on settings on the bottom left. Now, once you click on settings, you want to scroll down. And once you scroll down, you actually will see a section of meta fields over here. So if you can't find it over here, you can just take a closer look to where our meta fields are. So you want to click on custom data, and in custom data, you will find your meta fields. Now, in your meta fields, you want to add the meta field of size chart. So you want to simply click on product, click on add definitions, and you want to just name it size chart. And once you add size chart, you will just select type. And you can see multiple different, single line text, multi-line text, integer, decimal, product. What should the person, how do they drive the data for this? So I'm going to go up, file, and I will accept all file types, or just, you can accept specific file types. It really doesn't matter because we will be just uploading a image. So once you have done that, we have one file that we can upload. Now, once you've done that, you will just you're just going to add it. So you will click on save on the top right. And now we have one specific meta field added. So this is a product meta field. Now, once you have added this, all you have to do is now you will click on online store on the top left. And you can do this in many different ways. I used file, but another way is to go into settings, go into custom data, go into products, add a definition, and I'm just going to give this as an example. So I can add size chart example 2, and for this you're going to select the file type, and in your file type you can instead of selecting a file, you can select on page and you can click on save. Now, if you do it on file, you will be able to directly upload the image file on the product page. But if you do it on the form of a page, you can link up to a specific page and you can create a different page. So for the pages method, you want to go into pages and you want to click on add page. You're going to just add size chart, and you can click on save over here, and you can click on view page. This is like the size chart page. So I'm going to show you guys both methods side by side, but now all you have to do is click on online store and you're going to click on customize. Once you click on customize on your online store, you are going to take a look at the top section over here. It says home page. So you want to click on your product and go into your specific product that you want to edit. We have our floral blouse over here. We want our little section to be present right over here. So I'm just going to go back, and you will be able to see your header, your product information, and this is where the share button is. Now, right below the share button, I will click on add block. And when you click on add block, you will simply click on text. Now, a lot of people get confused. You can add icon with text, you can add complementary products, product rating. There are multiple different options, but icon with text or just text is pretty simple. So once you click on icon with text, you get this example. Now, what you want to do is you want to, you can see you have multiple different heading sections. So this can be a little difficult to format, and you can make it vertical or horizontal if you have like customer care instructions, all of that good stuff. But if you don't and you don't need second or third headings, you can just remove them as well, just like that. So let's say I don't have a final heading, I can just remove that, and I'm just going to go up, and you have your first icon. Now you can change this icon into anything you want. So let's say I want to do a lightning bolt as customer care, or sizing chart, whatever it might be. I'm just going to use a shirt icon. This is probably what you will see mostly on Shopify stores. Then once you've completed that, you can just click on select images, click on upload image, and you can upload your size chart. I've just used a sample size chart from Canva as a example to show you guys how to upload it. But once you click on that, you will click on done, and your item will appear. Now you can change this and sync this up and resize it however you want. Now the other way you can do this, so if I click on save over here, I will have this added, but you will see it's not a drop down and it's not popping out. So the other way you can do this is click on add block, and you will add a collapsible row. So in your collapsible row, you will click on this, you can add whatever it might be. I'm going to use a ruler, and I will rename it to size chart. And then in the row content, now you have both options. You can link a page, and you can link your size chart page over here. Click on select, and once people click on it, they will see the information you upload in the size chart page. You can open your size chart page up now, and you can just go on ahead, insert image, upload file, or insert image, just like that, and upload the size chart file over here. And once you upload your content, it will be available over here, or you can just click on raw content on the top, and you can click on add dynamic source insert, and insert dynamic fields, but that can be a little more complicated instead of just the direct method. And then you can just click on save. I'm just going to go into my pages, click on my little page over here. I'm just going to refresh it. I'm going to go into pages, I'm going to go into size chart, and I will just upload my image over here. And once you upload your size chart, it will now be available in your online store, and you will be able to see the size chart right over here as you would on any professional store. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with creating your own custom size chart on your product page on Shopify. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.